Kia ora guys, today we're looking at compound sentences. Here's a question for you to think about. Why do you think we use sentences in our writing? What are their purpose? Okay, before we drill down into compound sentences, let's look at what a sentence actually is. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence always has at least one subject noun and a verb. It can have one or more clauses within it. So now we're going to look at compound sentences. A compound sentence has two or more main clauses. They are joined with a coordinating conjunction. Each main clause makes sense on its own. For example, dogs like chasing cats, but cats can climb trees. You can see here I've made our two main clauses green. So, dogs like chasing cats, that's a main clause. It has a subject and a verb in it, and it makes sense by itself. We've used the coordinating conjunction, but, to join that main clause with the next main clause, which is cats can climb trees. It has a subject noun and a verb, and cats can climb trees makes sense by itself. Two main clauses joined together by a coordinating conjunction. What are coordinating conjunctions? Let's recap that. Remember, think back to fanboys. These words are coordinating conjunctions and they're used to join two main clauses or two simple sentences. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Fanboys. So, some more examples. Joe waited for the train, but the train was late. Two main clauses joined together with a coordinating conjunction. I looked for Mary and Samantha at the bus station, but they arrived at the station before noon and left on the bus before I arrived. So each main clause in green makes sense by itself. However, we've joined them together with a coordinating conjunction. Mary and Samantha arrived at the bus station before noon and they left on the bus before I arrived. Mary and Samantha left on the bus before I arrived, so I did not see them at the bus station. Alright guys, make sure you highlight where you have used compound sentences in your writing. I'm really looking forward to seeing them.